Hi, I'm Robert Slick with A1 Carpet Man from Salt Lake City, Utah, and I'm just going to show you how to install your doorway with a Z-bar. Okay, I'm going to show you how you install a piece of carpet with a Z-bar in a doorway. Trim the carpet tack to the size. Trim the Z-bar to the size. Put the carpet tack on top of the Z-bar. I'm going to nail the tack strip down. Make sure your carpet end is even. You need to overlap it about 3/4 of an inch. Add. And then roll the carpet around the Z-bar. And hammer it down. Make sure that's all hammered down tight, and that's how you finish off an end. I'm Robert, and I just showed you how to install your carpet with a Z-bar.